In this video, we are going to review the popular AirSnore treatment that helps you stop your snoring. And if you watch this until the end, I'm going to show you how to buy it with a $30 discount from airsnorepro.com. What makes AirSnore so powerful is that it guarantees you to stop your snoring in a comfortable way instantly and helps you to get a decent long night's sleep to you and your partner. But what makes us snoring in the first place? The reason that makes you snore at the beginning is that while you sleep, the airways in your throat and nose relax. This causes them to narrow, so air travels faster through them. As you breathe in and out, this faster flow of air makes the soft tissues in the back of your mouth, nose and throat vibrate, and this is what makes you snore. AirSnore is an easy-to-use mouthpiece that helps to open up your airways to allow you to breathe better, and ensures your airway remains open and clear so you can breathe freely and uninterrupted all night long. This mouthpiece is an easy-to-use device and there's no special fitting required by your dentist, so it's ready to use in only a few minutes. Simply, let the mouthpiece stand in hot water for a few minutes to soften. Then, place it inside your mouth and bite down on it while it cools and molds itself to the inside of your mouth in an exact fit. But what if you have a cold, cough, sinus or chest infection? Normally these symptoms block your airways and make it harder to breathe properly and make you snore. That's why AirSnore creates drops contain a special blend of natural oils well known for their soothing properties to help relieve your symptoms and send you to sleep without snoring. Simply rub the AirSnore drops on your chest, neck and under your nostrils before you sleep. Insert the AirSnore mouthpiece if you have it and you'll be having a long comfortable night's sleep. Buy AirSnore with a $30 discount now by clicking the link in the description or visit www.airsnorepro.com.